Prime Minister Najib Razak has vowed that Malaysia will continue to search for this plane until the answers is found, and he is not thinking about the cost of this search operation, saying that the priority is to find answers for the family who obviously has been waiting in agony for over 3 weeks now. Prime Minister Najib Razak also has been announced to leave for Perth tomorrow on Wednesday here in Kuala Lumpur to come and see the International Search and Rescue Team and to thank them personally of this massive efforts. You must remember that this international search and rescue efforts are all being paid for by respective countries. They're all pitching in to find these answers that has been proving to be very elusive for this union of high-tech equipments and also the smartest of brains in the world for this field. So we are waiting here in Kuala Lumpur on the international investigation team to help narrow the search area, as Tony mentioned there, to give more chance for these aircrafts and boats to find the elusive flight MH370. CCTV's James Chow obviously have broken the news yesterday that the last words from the pilots was not indeed "all right, good night," as it has been reported in the past 3 weeks here. Yesterday we got final confirmation, an official press statement from the Malaysian Civil Association and Society here, basically saying that the last words that were said by the co-pilots and the pilots are "Good night, Malaysian 370," which is a normal language that has been used for a handshake if a plane is leaving one airspace and entering another. This has reduced the speculation that those cryptic last word of "all right, good night," pointing out that it is possible that it is not an accident. This has closed the door on that possibility a little bit, but the investigations on the pilot are still ongoing. The FBI has came out and said, though, their analysis of the drives of the pilots of the flight simulators data that they found has come up empty as well. So it seems like all these clues they're all exploring all these avenues to find an answer, but it's still very elusive.